Hello, myself Sunil Ramkrishnar, and here basically we are discussing about the visa process actually. In this basically last video basically we saw that basically how the currencies to currencies are basically connecting to each other, and that basically in that point basically we are discussing the visa process. In visa process basically they ask the question and the sequence also basically we have discussed. According to the question basically they basically gives the answer, and they basically question basically they keeps on changing basically. Mostly they should change the question basically. If they are not changing the question, that means basically they have done some mapping inside the environment basically, that basically USA basically knows basically, because they have set the environment basically in the embassy and in the computer basically. That is basically USA look of basically. So like this basically they have asked the question, and according to that basically the requirement basically was of 1 lakh H1B visa of the software company people basically. And the software company told that basically we basically want this many people basically which should match our requirement. So requirement basically they have already placed it in the computer, and each and everything basically is mapped in the environment. Like this basically they ask the question, and according to that they matches the condition. But the condition basically is 1 lakh people is required for this particular condition, which is basically tracked, which basically is asked for 1 lakh. Which reason is basically Indian investment basically has done in that USA basically, that is basically in USA country basically. So according to that basically some certain level of energy is required basically, that USA people basically can't able to give. So for that basically they told that basically we required few Indian nationality people basically, because they have invested, right? So if they are invested basically, then basically few basically things is required basically. So according to that basically we need few data basically. So for that basically we required few people basically which matches our data basically. That data is basically the environment basically which the computer is basically having, and that basically is in the form of the energy only basically. That is very difficult to track also. Reason, the question basically which you are asking and the answer basically which is giving, that is connecting like this: USA environment, then India environment. That question only basically: USA environment, India environment, then basically that computer environment, or might be possible that satellite might be there, and then basically the embassy environment basically. Like this the visa process basically works basically. And mostly basically they never ask the direct question basically. Direct question means the environment question basically. For example, one the condition basically of the particular question basically is matching to the certain level of environment basically. But the question basically which the embassy is basically asking, they will ask according to the Indian environment plus USA environment basically. So for example, one I will take one example. The same question basically if you ask in US environment, that is in US basically, the energy totally might be different. When you ask the question basically in Indian environment, that time basically the energy basically totally different basically. So that's the difference basically. So according to the requirement basically, the H1B visa basically is required for the certain level of task basically, that basically suits certain level of data only basically. That is the 1 lakh people basically which suits the data basically. So data basically can be anything basically. That can be possible that few SAP people is required, and in SAP people basically there are lakhs of SAP people. But which requirement basically suits this SAP, with the requirement which is basically USA is required basically, that is suiting to which people basically. That is basically must basically. So that's why basically the things basically has the people basically as getting hired basically. So that basically is a condition only basically, that which we kind of, this is basically connecting like this basically. I will take one more example, then it will be more clear basically. One of the company basically told that basically we want few IITs and IIMs, and they basically telling that basically IIT and IIM basically syllabus basically are designed by us. Just see basically how dangerous it is. IITs and IIM syllabus basically is designed by us. So they, that company basically who are basically taking the taking the hiring the people basically of the IITs and IIMs, they told that basically we have designed this IITs and IIM syllabus. So they told that basically if the percentage of the particular person basically is coming up to this, then only basically our condition basically match. Then only basically we can train them, and according to the train basically they can do the work. Then only basically they can do the work basically. Because if we are giving training him train, we are basically giving to sorry we are basically giving training to him, then he is supposed to understand what we are giving the training. And to give training basically, this percentage people basically can only able to understand that training basically which is going to be given by the IITs and IIMs. So they told that basically okay basically the this many percentage people basically can be hired. So they basically started interview, and then basically the interview was very fast, and then basically they recruited the people basically. So exactly same way basically this also basically suits, that is the H1B visa, that is 1 lakh people basically, which suits the condition basically of the requirement basically. So that requirement only the nuclear power company only knows basically, and the people basically who are the recruitment people basically. So like this basically things basically are there. So in this basically this also connects to the currencies to currencies basically. H1B visa, that basically we have already discussed. The condition basically of the questions and answers basically, that also directly affects the currencies basically. That's why basically it affects the currencies department basically. Currencies to currencies department basically. INR to dollar basically. So like this basically this also basically are few parameters basically. There are thousands of book basically which is created by certain economists and basically sort of authors basically, which are basically professors, mostly basically are professors basically, and mostly people basically are working with the big level of organization and big level of government organization basically. They basically only can print this type of books basically, because they have the proper authenticated data basically available with them basically. That this government basically, I had told one example of visa process basically. 3 lakh incidents basically is created for the India and dollar currency basically. They have created 3 lakh incidents basically. After that only basically the currency has reached up to this level basically. As per the incidents basically getting created, the dollar and the NR currency basically gets effects. So that basically different thing basically. So here basically that is also basically different thing, means it's connected to this only basically, but that is totally different topic basically. So like this also basically the currencies basically connects to directly to the 3 lakh incidents basically. So currencies to currency basically, if it's connecting to incidents basically, right, that means it's directly connecting to the departments to departments also basically, you can say basically, right. It might be connecting to the countries to countries also basically, you can say. It can be connected to countries also basically, you can say that it's connecting to the countries to countries, because it might possible their investment basically might be connecting to the countries to countries. That's why basically they might have invested in India basically. Without basically a reason, no country is going to do the investment basically. They might be facing some problem, that's why they have invested basically. Without any problem basically they are not going to invest basically. So they basically told that basically like this basically things are basically there. Like this basically he told that basically each and every departments of the India basically is connecting to the currencies department. Currency is equal to one department only basically, or you can say, and it's connected to the each and every human needs basically, that also you can say basically. Because currency energy basically mostly might not be there basically. Systematic basically it might not be created, but nuclear power company says that basically each and every object basically which basically connects to the human basically, set of humans, we create the energy basically. There is no option basically. That's why basically they say that basically we 100% creates the energies basically. So like this is also basically about little bit about the currencies to currencies matching. And in next video basically we are going to see a little bit more about the how many more factors basically are there basically, which is connecting to the currencies to currencies and currencies to currency to currencies.